Hi, I'm Michelle Miller with the Miller Team AZ and Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Arizona Properties. Oh, I know a long name. So today we're talking about condensation pipe. Woo, who's excited? Okay, it's not a very exciting topic, yes, but it is necessary to know if you're buying, selling, or just doing general home maintenance. So in Arizona, the heating element of our HVAC is usually stored in our attics. And so on most houses, you'll find two condensation pipes. One that's down low like this one, and then another one that's up high, but my video it's just a little bit, it's right above this one. So normally when you're walking around your house, which I recommend you do monthly or quarterly at the least, you can check out the pipes and make sure if you see dripping and stuff coming out of this pipe, that's okay. But if you see staining or dripping coming out of the top pipe, now that's a problem and you need to get it addressed immediately. I recommend that you have your HVAC company come out. You probably need your condensation lines blown out. I always tell my clients to have your system serviced at least once a year. Twice is better in the spring and the fall. But what happens is if you don't get those condensation lines blown out, the pan in the attic is about this deep, and so what's going to happen is it's going to fill and fill and fill, and then it's going to spill over, and then guess what happens? You now have a leak in your ceiling somewhere in your house. So that's not great. So a little maintenance up front can save you a lot of money and headache later. So thanks for watching the Miller Minutes. For more videos like this, check us out on YouTube. You can find the link on our website at millerteamsellsazhomes.com. Thanks for watching.